My name is Christopher, and I live in Cambridge in England. And I have been learning Irish since I was 86, which was 2 years ago. And I found some courses which are run by Patricia in Galway. And these courses are online, and they were extremely well constructed and very interesting. But lately, she developed a further um, course where you read a book in Irish and you're helped through the book, and then a reading of the text by um, Joe O'Fahata, and he has the most beautiful lilting Irish. It made it a very uh, pleasant experience to do it. So it isn't just like hammering away at grammar and vocabulary and all the usual ways that people do. Very much more enjoyable. The storyline was a very delicately told story set in the days of Cromwell in Ireland. It's a really charming story. I think it would be very useful for English people to know a bit more about Ireland, and that is, it seems, another reason why this book, I think, is quite an important book. And I don't know whether the author would think about putting it in English, but anyway, it was such a delight to read it in Irish. You're getting in touch with the real Irish, I think, with that, not the kind of stuff in textbooks. My Irish is certainly improved. I mean, at my age, it's more difficult. What I liked about getting the chapters was they weren't too long, they were manageable. So I could read the chapter first and then listen to Joe reading it to hear how it really should sound. I think this challenge will be an ideal challenge for you because it's manageable. It's if you haven't got a lot of time, 3 weeks isn't too much to put aside. Um, Not like if you think, oh well, this course is going to be 9 months, or well, that's a long time to put ahead. But I think short bites are better, really, in that way. And you had the benefit of feeling you've achieved something, you've done it, you've read it right through from cover to cover.